Okay, so today we talked about slope. We're learning how to turn ratios into slope. So if I took these 2 points that are on the line and I asked myself, well, how do I get from P to R? You can either go over 1 and up 4. So that's to the right 1 and up 4. Or I could take another route and go up 4 and then to the right 1. Now, anytime we move up, that is our rise. And if we move either left or right, that's our run. Slope is defined as rise over run. So the slope of this line, let me highlight the line or of the graph. The slope of that line is 4 because I went up 4 in either one over 1. And 4 over 1 is just equal to 4. So my slope or my M is 4. We use M in algebra for slope. Let's take a look at another example. 2 points on the line here. How do I get there? I either go to the right 1 and up 3, or I can rise 3 and run 1 this way. Either way, my rise is always over my run. We rose 3, no matter which route we took, and we ran over 1. And so 3 divided by 1 is 3. My slope or my M is 3 in this example. Let's take a look at another example. Here, I have 2 points. I actually have a third point, which is here, which means that they want me to take this route. They want me to take the red route and not the green route. Remember, there's another way of getting there. They want me to take the red route. That's why that Q is there. So we have points P, R, and Q. And so remember, rise goes up and down and run goes left to right across. So this is my rise and this one is my run. My rise is 1 and my run is 1. And 1 divided by 1 is just 1. So my slope is 1, but my slope is a little bit different in this example. Because this graph is going downhill, we read graphs like we read words from left to right. Since this is falling from left to right, is going downhill, it's actually a negative slope. So my slope is -1. In the previous examples, from left to right, we were going uphill. So that's a positive slope. So we leave the 4 positive. Same thing here. From left to right, as I move from left to right, this is going uphill. It's a positive slope. Let's take a look at one final, well, 2 more examples. So what is the slope of this non-vertical line? First of all, from left to right, is it going uphill or downhill? From left to right is going downhill, so I know that it's going to have a negative slope. But here are my 2 points, P and R. So I come down and I go over. 1, 2, 3, 4. It came down 4 and I ran over 1. So what was my rise and what was my run? Remember, rise goes up and down. Run goes from left to right. It goes across. So 4 was up and down.
Maya Bradford, report to the office. Maya Bradford, report to the office for dismissal.
Excuse that interruption. But we dropped, our rise was 4 because from here to here is 1, 2, 3, 4. And my run is 1. 4 divided by 1 is 4. Let's take a look at one final example. So this line is right here. And this is a horizontal line. But because it is flat, it does not have an increase or a decrease. My slope is 0. I really hope this helps.